Hey, this is Jake with Avi-on. Let us talk about adding sensors. The two sensors we are covering today are the Direct Connect and the Bluetooth sensors. Let us go to the controllers page by selecting the top left navigation icon and then select Controllers. The controllers page is separated into two areas, Configuration Required and Configured Controllers. This shows all the controllers including wall stations. If the sensors have already been added to this system, then they will show up in one of these areas. If they have not been added to this system, follow these steps. For the Avi-on Bluetooth sensors, select the plus icon, select the sensor, and hit Add. This will add the sensor to the project. Let me give you a tip with the Bluetooth sensors. You will want to rename this sensor and keep track of that sensor. A great tip is to keep track of the last four of the MAC address and where you physically have it installed in the building. Since this sensor is a standalone sensor, it is a bit difficult to find the exact sensor location using only the app. For the Avi-on Direct Connect sensor, it is automatically added if the sensor is connected at the time the load controller is added to the project. If you connect the sensor after the load controller has been added to the project, you can select Scan Devices. This will scan all devices to see if a new Direct Connect sensor has been plugged in. The Direct Connect sensor will take on the name of the load controller it is connected to. If I change the load controller's name to Shop, then the sensor will also change its name with the word Sensor at the end. And that's how easy it is to add sensors to the Avi-on system.